Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on CIE Automotive. Our analyst maintains positive viewpoint on CIE Automotive India with an upside potential of 21% on reporting in line with expected EBITDA margin performance in Q2 of calendar year 23 and its continuous focus on maintaining high EBITDA margins. The company has been reporting EBITDA margins above 15% for last 2 quarters. Management targets to focus on the domestic business and aims to grow 5 to 10% ahead of the domestic market. The stock trades at the price to equity multiple of 18.6 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 11.5 times its calendar year 24 estimates. Next on radar is Polycab. Our analyst reiterates buy rating on Polycab as the company delivered strong result in Q1 of FY24 on all fronts. The sales growth of 42% year-on-year was driven by sharp volume growth of 50 to 60% in cables and wire segment. Strong operating profit margin and adjusted net profit growth was led by operating leverage, better product mix and exports. Demand momentum continues to be robust across infrastructure, real estate and other industry in both domestic and international markets. FMEG business would see improvement in coming quarters. We build in revenue CAGR of 20% and PAT CAGR of 24% over FY23 to FY25 estimates. We increase our target multiple and retain a buy on Polycab. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.